What's even more important to be successful in sales than following a proven sales process? Find out in this video. You may have heard of tried and true sales methods such as the Challenger sale, the Sandler model, spin selling. These are just a few of the many very popular sales models or sales processes out in the marketplace. And for good reason, they do work. And I believe in following a sales process. But I think there's something even more important that will contribute to your long-term success. What is it? It's what the buyer wants to see in you as their salesperson of choice. Shouldn't what the buyer wants matter even more than the process you follow? Let's see if the two intersect as I read through some of the answers to the question, what does a buyer look for in a salesperson? Here are some answers that I found by doing a search and reading through some articles. 5 qualities of a salesperson. Essential qualities are personality, cheerful disposition, mental ingredients, courtesy, patience and perseverance, and complete knowledge about the self-product company and the customer. Good answers. And not one of them talks about they follow a specific sales process. Now, before I read the next list, I want you to know that this video is brought to you by my new online sales training program, which is a 7-week program brought to you through video modules that you can watch at your own pace, 1 week at a time, along with lots of tips, tools, and worksheets to go along with the program, and a DISC sales profile assessment that will help you to learn more about yourself and what are the strengths you bring to the sales process. If you'd like to learn more, go to my website, buildandbalance.com, and you'll see an ad for the course right on the home page. All right, but back to the lists, right? So here's another list, 7 traits of highly successful salespeople. They work closely with marketing. They are storytellers. They are goal-oriented and don't solely rely on outside direction. They ask for referrals. They are passionate about what they sell. They focus on solving a problem, and they listen more than they speak. I didn't hear follow a sales process. Well, what else do we have? Business experts that were interviewed say that the most successful salespeople share these traits. They care about the customer's interests. Your customers want to know that you care about their interests and would put their interests first ahead of your own. They're confident. They're always on. They're subtle. They're resilient. They're extroverted. They're good listeners, and they're multitaskers. Again, not a single response related to the sales process that they follow. Here's the bottom line message in this video. Much of what I talk about in this channel is related to developing yourself and being the best version of yourself, being the type of person that someone else would want to do business with. It doesn't matter whether you sell airplanes or mugs with children's faces on them. Whatever you sell, be a great person. Develop your character. Be a person of integrity. Care about the other person. Listen carefully. All these traits that have been shared in these articles, they're all about the person, except for a few cases. There was one that said, have great knowledge of the product, right? Of course. And I talk about those elements, such as process and knowledge and research, in my sales course. But I spend more time talking about developing yourself and being the type of person that other people would like to do business with. So keep working on yourself. Keep becoming a better and better version, day in and day out, month in, month out, year in, year out. And I believe that you'll lay the foundation for a long and successful career in sales. I hope you'll enjoy what this video is telling you and not feel stressed by it, but love hearing that working on yourself is probably your best investment to be a long-term success. If you like the video, Please like it, comment on it, and share it with others who could benefit from this message too. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you'd like to learn more about my sales training coaching solutions, visit my website, buildandbalance.com. If you have questions about sales, email me and I may answer your question in a future video. Michael@buildandbalance.com. Best wishes to you.